Hey guys, I am Dr. Chetna, a pranic healer. Let's talk about 5 different type of pranas. In my last video, we discussed about what is prana. Prana is a life force energy, and we have 5 different type of pranas in our body. Let's see what these pranas are. These pranas, prana vayu means wind and prana means life force energy. So this life wind, this is present in our body, around our body, and this prana vayu, this when with this prana, when when this is balanced, we can unleash the unimaginable forces inside our body. So let's see what these different type of prana is. First is the prana. We can imagine it's like a factory or it's like a company, and there are different departments, and each department is responsible for different functioning or different functioning of each department. So let's talk about prana vayu. Vayu means wind and prana. This subtle energy is present in the upper part of our body, from our head till our heart. So the basic seat of this prana is at the heart. This is at the receiving end. Everything whatever we are receiving, the prana, it uses the breath as a vehicle, and this breath and this prana, this prana vayu is there in the body, and there are different nadis. There are around 72,000 of different nadis present in our body, through which this prana is circulating everywhere in the body, and this prana is present inside our body and outside of our body. And this prana takes the energy from all the 5 elements of the universe. It's the sun prana, air prana, it's prana from the food, it's prana from water. So all the 5 elements, the prana takes its energy and it goes in the body. So the prana, which is in the upper part of our body, the heart is its basic seat. So everything we receive is associated with the prana vayu. So this is like, we can say, the human resource department of that particular company. So we take this prana from food, from air, from water, from good thoughts, from the good company, from the happiness. So this is like receiving, it is like inhalation. Second prana is the apana vayu. Apana is, it's the opposite of receiving. It's letting go. Everything which is going out from the body is associated with the apana vayu. In apana vayu, we have everything which is associated with the which is associated with the excretion, the urination, the menstruation, the ejaculation, even the birthing process. Whatever is going out from our system is associated with the apana vayu. So it's like, you can say, the waste disposal unit of our body. Prana is receiving and apana is letting go. So between prana and apana, there is samana vayu. Samana means even. So this vayu is settled, this energy is at the navel center. So with the samana, whatever the food we take, it helps to absorb that food, it helps to assimilate that food, and that energy is distributed all our body. And the cells, when all the cells of the body get proper samana vayu, our aura is very radiating. So there is a beautiful connection between prana and apana and samana vayu. When this all is balanced, all this vayu, all this prana is balanced, we feel our body is in alignment. Next is the 4th prana is the vyana. Vyana vayu, it's is manifested with the circulatory system of our body. So whatever the arteries, the veins, whatever the circulation, this Vayu is present all our body. So this is like the distribution unit of that factory. So whatever the products are there in the factory, it has to go to each and every department. So with the distribution of this Vyana Vayu, it goes, circulates in the all the cells of our body, and it's the outward moving force, it's the outward moving energy, and this prana radiates throughout limbs, the legs, all the circulatory system of our body. And the fifth prana we have is the Udana. Udana Vayu is present in, it relates with our throat chakra. So whatever the correct expression, whatever we speak, that's associated with our Udana Vayu. We must have noticed that sometime when we are worried, we are stressed, we have some fear, so there is some chokiness in the throat. The words can't come out. So that's because the Udana Vayu is blocked. So when our mind is clear, our mind is focused, our mind is balanced, the Udana Prana, it has the property to speak properly. But when this Udana Vayu is blocked, we feel chokiness in the voice, we can't speak properly, and we feel less of words even if we want to say the correct things. So that's why when these five pranas, they are in balance, and these are the names of different names of these five pranas, the subtle energy is present in each compartment of our body, and that's why this is the yogic anatomy. And when we have to do the pranayam, all this pranic vayu is in balance. That's why we are told to say the pranayam. And in my next video, we will learn about the 5 prana mudras. By doing that proper mudras, so we will balance the air, the sun, the water, all the 5 elements of this universe. So stay in touch, keep watching my videos, and we will let you know about how this pranic energy, how this pranic healing with no drug, no touch therapy works in the body. But first, let's understand the inner engineering of our body. And when we come to know about the spare parts and the inner engineering of our this beautiful system, so we can heal our body without the medicines. Stay tuned, stay in touch. Thank you guys.